Darmaga Hardwood Flooring. Complete customer satisfaction. Welcome to our second showroom in Vaughan, in the heart of Jane and Rutherford, inside the Moscone Center. Our designer showroom is home of the best brands in hardwood, laminate, and vinyl plank flooring. Our experienced product and service specialists will recommend products that would be ideal for your lifestyle, use, and budget. Winning the Top Choice Award for Top Hardwood Flooring Services 3 years in a row reinforces our claim that we truly are good. With Darmaga, it is all about providing you with the best value and exceptional service. Our professional installation process is known in the industry since 1940. Come and visit our showroom. Touch and feel the products. Learn about your options. Make a smart decision about your investment. Love your floor.